Design Setup. On the right hand top, Design Setup option opens up this welcome window. When you first start TiaraCAD, you will be asked to put in your username, company name, email ID and address. You can also put in your logo. All these options come up when you also print a report. In addition to this, you have all the parameters inside to be saved or predefined for your designs. This includes the global defaults of each parameter. So like you can see, if I click on prong, what should be the default prong size, a default prong height, the default overlap over a diamond, the shape, curvature, so on. Likewise, let's say if I go in for a head, what would be the default settings? If I go in for micro prongs, or for that matter pave settings, so what should be the wall height, the wall thickness and so on. You can specify it in advance. Next you have metal chart. For every density that you use in your company, for example 18 KT yellow gold, we have specified the density to be 15.51 as per the global norms, but depending on your alloy, you can simply double click and modify it to your requirements. Likewise, if you have a set, you can always export my existing file, which is nothing but a simple CSV file, as a metal chart CSV. Let me minimize this. The exported CSV file will be displayed like this. You can make your changes and you can import it back into the system. Likewise, we have gem charts. Now in the gem charts, we have not only filled in the diamond weight per mm size, we have also given a color code in terms of hex values for you to work with. You can also go and modify it from here itself, or you can export the file just like we had done it earlier with the metal chart, make your modifications and come back to import it with your specific sizes for each company. Not just for round, but even for princess, taper, oval, emerald, and likewise you can import specific CSV files that specify the size that you have and the weight associated with it. We also have given the options of ring chart, where we are specifying the actual circumference and the CAD circumference. Likewise, the inside diameter actual and CAD diameter. So for example, if I go for US size 7, my CAD diameter is 17.8 and my expected final diameter is 17.3. If I were to go at UK and I'm looking at size O, the circumference is 54.35 and the final expected is 54.4. Likewise, if you think you need to modify this to your requirements, please go ahead, simply double click and modify it as required. Do not forget to save your changes once done. Likewise, we have also given bangle chart, broad bracelet size and loose bracelet size. Necklace size is specific because there is no changes in terms of inches, centimeters or mm, so you do not need to change it obviously.